In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color on card.co, whether you want to update your entire site's look or just highlight a single word. Let's get into it. First, open the text appearance settings. To change the color of a specific block of text, you first need to access its design properties. Click on the text element you want to edit to open the settings sidebar. Look for the appearance icon at the top of the sidebar. It looks like a small paintbrush. This is where all the visual styling, like fonts, size, and color, is located. Next, select your color. This is where you define the visual impact of your text. Card gives you professional-grade tools to get the exact shade you need. If you have a specific brand color, click the text box next to the color square and type in the hex code, for example, hashtag 3355FF. This ensures your colors are 100% consistent across your website and social media. If you're still experimenting, click the color square to open the visual picker. You can drag the circle to find the right hue and use the vertical slider to adjust the brightness. Below the color field is an opacity slider. This is incredibly useful if you want your text to feel softer or if you want some of your background image to bleed through the letters. Setting it to 50% will make the text semi-transparent. Keep in mind that changing the color here only affects this specific text block. If you find yourself changing every block to the same color, you might want to check the Styles tab to create a shared style so you can update all your text colors at once in the future. And that's pretty much it. To change text color in 2026, click your text element and head straight to the Appearance tab. Use a hex code for precision or the color picker for a visual choice, and don't forget to play with the opacity slider to get that perfect professional finish. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.